Lucy had a beloved pet cat, named Oliver. Oliver was not just any ordinary cat, he was her best friend and companion. One day, while playing in the park, Oliver suddenly disappeared. Lucy was devastated. She couldn't imagine life without Oliver. She made a lot of flyers and posted them all over the neighborhood, and even offered a reward for anyone who could bring him back. Despite her best efforts, there was no sign of Oliver, and Lucy started to lose hope. One day, while walking home from school, Lucy heard a familiar meowing sound coming from a nearby alley. She ran to see what was making the noise, and found Oliver. Lucy was very happy to have her best friend back, and took him home to take care of his health. He was skinny, and seemed to have been on his own for a long time. But Lucy took care of him, and soon he was healthy again. From that day on, Lucy never let Oliver out of her sight. And both were very happy to be together again.